India's aviation boom went for the record books at one of the world's biggest air shows. Well, before we move on, as far as that wonderful development goes, you can, of course, go ahead and have a record of your own by breaching the 500,000 follower mark on front page. How you can do that? Well, you're excited, aren't you? So am I. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for your kind support. Now, at the Farnborough International Air Show, India's largest airline, IndiGo, signed a memorandum of understanding with CFM International for more than 1,000 LEAP-1A engines. It's actually the single largest order CFM has ever booked. Now, the order brings engines to power 510 Airbus A320neo family aircraft. Each of those planes needs 2 LEAP-1A engines plus spares, which is actually how a single deal adds up to over 1,000 turbofans. Now, beyond the hardware, the MOU also commits CFM to helping IndiGo build its own dedicated engine maintenance, repair and overhaul facility in India. Now, alongside, there is a long-term material services agreement covering spare parts aimed at keeping dispatch reliability high as the fleet grows. Although, this isn't a new relationship. IndiGo first flew CFM engines back in 2016, powering its A320 fleet with CFM 56 5B engines. In 2019, it deepened that partnership, choosing LEAP-1A engines for its A320neo family jets. Now, this deal extends a 10-year relationship into what's now CFM's biggest single commitment from any customer. The airline carried more than 123 million passengers in the last fiscal year alone. The deal was signed by Willie Walsh, IndiGo's incoming CEO, reportedly his first major industry appearance since being named to the role. Now, Walsh said the LEAP engine's proven reliability made it the right choice to support IndiGo's scale and operational resilience as the airline works towards becoming a global carrier. IndiGo is also, by the way, inducting 60 Airbus A350 wide-body jets starting in 2027, which is aimed squarely at international expansion. Now, this deal also underlines how India is now CFM's third largest market worldwide. 5 Indian carriers already fly more than 400 LEAP-powered aircraft, with roughly 2,000 engines already on order in the country before this deal. Here, of course, is the front page take. An order this size is, well, we believe a statement that Indian air travel keeps growing fast enough to fill more jets, on top of everything IndiGo already flies. Through this growth move, IndiGo is trying to insulate itself from the engine availability and maintenance backlogs that have actually plagued airlines worldwide in the recent years. So here's the question, as always, to all of you. Is this order a sign that India's aviation market has genuinely matured into one of the world's biggest growth engines? No pun intended there, by the way. Or is IndiGo making a very large bet on demand that still has to show up? Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.